Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to share the next big project with you, which is the backyard. For the past couple of years, I've been focusing my time and attention on the inside of the house. Well, the time has finally come to give the exterior a little love. In this video, I want to show you guys what the backyard looks like before, and then I'll walk you through the design plan. We are planning to do the backyard in 4 different phases, so I'll walk you through each of those phases in a bit more detail. I'm also sharing project updates daily on my Instagram, so be sure to follow me at Home with Stephanie if you want to get a closer look behind the scenes. Let's take a look at what the backyard looks like before. I've done a few small projects back here to try and give the backyard a little bit of life, but there's so much more potential. This entire corner of our yard is concrete, which is totally unnecessary. It's such an eyesore, it's hard to keep clean, and it's just wasting so much space. We definitely need to work on getting this backyard more functional, more private, and fun. Let me show you the design plan and how we plan to accomplish that. In the design plan, you'll notice that most of the concrete is removed. We're going to build a ground level deck coming right off the dining room. My favorite part of this makeover is a new workshop shed. I plan to turn a prefabricated shed into my proper workshop, and it's going in the corner of the yard with a fresh strip of concrete poured in front of the workshop and underneath it for the base. We plan to take out some old trees and add some new trees for privacy and refresh some other landscaping. So phase 1 of the backyard project is prep, phase 2 is building the deck, phase 3 is installing the workshop, and phase 4 is landscaping and final touches. We are already halfway through phase 1. It started with coming up with our ideal design plan. We called around and got quotes from subcontractors for the work that needs to be hired out. After getting numbers back, we adjusted our design plan according to what we had budgeted for the project. After finalizing our design plan, step 1 for us was taking down any trees that were in the way. We had to take down our orange tree because that's where the shed is going to go. We aren't going to miss it though because we couldn't even eat the fruit. It was so sour. Plus, we're planning to plant a new edible orange tree. While the tree company was out here, we had them take down one big tree that was leaning towards the house, which has been worrying us with hurricane season and high winds here in Florida. We had them take down the trees in the corner of the yard because we'll be adding new trees for privacy along the fence line. We also had them clear out some bushes and shrubs to make room for the deck and shed. After the trees were removed, they came back with a stump grinder and grinded down all the stumps and tree roots. After trees were removed, we had all the concrete in the backyard removed. We hired a company to come out with their skid steer. They pulled it up and disposed of it for us. There's no way we could have done that ourselves. These guys worked so fast and it was only about $1 per square foot for them to remove. We stopped out at a local nursery to check out trees, and we found the exact type of tree that we were looking for, so we ended up purchasing them, and they'll be planted a little earlier than we expected, which is great. A few things left to do in this prep phase. We have to reroute some of the irrigation while the yard is all torn up, and we have to finalize our shed design and get concrete scheduled. Like I mentioned, phase 2 is building the new deck, so I'm working on getting plans and materials prepped for that project. I plan on breaking down the deck build in a few different video tutorials, so stay tuned for those videos coming up next.